Welcome, everyone. This is my group's term project for the Computational Methods class for Civil Engineering. It is a COVID-19 tracker for the United States based on zip codes using the Johns Hopkins University compiled data. So let's just get right into it. There are two places you can find the instructions. There's a step-by-step up at the top where you can go through. First, you want to find the information from the Johns Hopkins University. So you will click this link and it will pull up. You will come over here to clone or download, and you'll want to download the zip. You will find it in your downloads and you will want to extract. And it will take a couple of seconds to download and extract. You will then want to go into this file, find CSEE COVID-19 data, and then come down to the time series folder. You will then copy the confirmed US and confirmed deaths US into a separate file. You will then load your file folder into the spreadsheet. You want to select your folder and copy path. You will then paste your path into this cell right here. You then enter your zip code where you want to find the data for. Beforehand, you'll want to press load new COVID data from .csv. That way all of your data is in your spreadsheet. It'll pop up with a notification when it is finished. You'll then enter your zip code right here and find location from zip code. That will then update how it will search. And then you press locate COVID cases by coordinates, and it will give you a chart of confirmed cases and deaths. And this is for any, and you can find this for any zip code in the United States.